Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Wowbutter Buckeye Brownie Cheesecake. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 package of brownie mix, any kind you like. It says 19.5 ounces, but I could not find that big of one, so mine is 18.4 ounces. And then you need everything that it calls for on the back of the box. So mine is 2 eggs, 2/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1/4 cup of water. So I have all that there. Then you need 3/4 cup of hot fudge, just the ice cream topping, and we will need that warm, so don't have yours in the refrigerator. Then you need 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese softened, so mine has been sitting out, so it's nice and soft. 1.5 cups of crunchy wow butter. Now, if you don't have the crunchy, I'm sure it's fine to substitute the creamy in there. That's not a problem. You just won't have that crunch. Then you need 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1.5 cups of whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of some kind of chocolate syrup. So I'm just going to use the Hershey's Simple chocolate syrup. Then you also, of course, need a cheesecake springform pan. I'm using this 9-inch one right here. And then you'll also need a 9x13 baking dish for the brownies. So let's go ahead and get started with our brownies. Alright, so for my brownies, I sprayed my 9x13 baking pan with cooking spray. My oven is preheated to 350, and now in a large bowl, I'm going to combine my batter, my brownie mix with my eggs, water, and oil. My brownie mix is blended, so next I'm going to pour it into my prepared pan and bake that for 28 to 31 minutes. Alright, my brownie mix is all spread out evenly and ready to go into the oven. My brownies are out of the oven and you want them to cool completely, so mine have been cooling for about 30 minutes. So next we're going to cut them into bars, and then using about 3/4 of the bars, we're going to press them into the bottom of our springform pan. But I'm going to spray that with cooking spray first. Then the rest of them we are going to crumble and set to the side. Alright, my crust is ready. My brownies are so gooey, so I really like that, so that's not a problem for me, but you might want to cook yours longer or get a different kind of brownies if you don't want them to be gooey. So there's my crumbles. They really didn't crumble too great, but we'll crumble those more when we add them. So now you can just set these to the side and get out a large mixing bowl. Alright, so in our large bowl, I have the cream cheese and the wow butter. We're just going to mix that with an electric mixer on medium until it is combined. Alright, that is pretty combined. It was very rough, so make sure that your wow butter is also at room temperature, which mine was. It also probably wouldn't hurt to maybe put it in the microwave for a little bit. So next, let's go ahead and add our sweetened condensed milk to this. Okay, my sweetened condensed milk is in there. Now I'm just going to beat this again until it is combined. Okay, that looks great. So go ahead and set that to the side. So next we are going to beat our heavy whipping cream until soft peaks form. So I have that in a bowl over here by itself. Okay, my soft peaks has started to form, so I basically mix this on low for 2 minutes and then on medium for 8 minutes. And you can feel it start to thicken up, just like any kind of whipped cream, whipped topping. So next we're going to add our powdered sugar, and we're going to beat that until stiff peaks form. Okay, that took about an additional 3 minutes. So next we are going to reserve a 1/2 cup of this, set it to the side, and the rest we are going to fold into our wow butter cream cheese mixture. Alright, that looks pretty folded into me. I didn't want to overfold it. So next we are going to go ahead and assemble this. So we already have our brownie bottom, our crust. So let's go ahead and stick our hot fudge in the microwave to warm it up, because we want to make sure it's nice and warm when we drizzle it over top of the crust. Okay, my hot fudge is all on top of my brownie layer. I just pretty much put mine in the microwave for 45 seconds, and it used almost the entire jar. There's still a little tiny bit left in there. So if you don't want to exactly measure it out, that's fine. So next we are going to layer 1/2 of the wow butter mixture on top. Alright, 1/2 of the cheesecake is on top. So next we are going to put 1/2 of our little brownie chunks on top of that. Alright, that looks awesome. So next we are going to pour the rest of our cheesecake layer on top. Okay, that looks great, and as you can see, it's coming to the tip top here. Next, we are going to spread on the rest of our whipped cream. Alright, now we are just going to put the rest of our brownie crumbles on top. Alright, that looks amazing. So next we are going to go ahead and drizzle that with our chocolate syrup. Okay, I did not measure that out to 2 tablespoons. I just kind of drizzled it back and forth. So you can do whatever you want on that. So next week, you're going to go ahead and cover that and chill it for 4 to 24 hours. Mine's probably going to be 4. All right, this just came out of the refrigerator. It was in there for about 7 hours. So we are going to go ahead and cut into this and see what Taste Tester thinks. Wow, that is a nice big piece for Taste Tester. Let's have a look over there. All right, Taste Tester, go ahead and have a little taste.
Okay. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.